Hi, Senator Arnold. This is Austrian Dutch Teutonic monk William J. Planck. I am Dutch German and I am native Indian, but I have a very special gift to design and see things in the beyond, in the spirit of the church. All my wisdom comes from Jesus, but I have a quick, inventive spacecraft that I have seen in the supernatural and want to hand it to you to show the President. Since Austria is one of the leaders of invent and space travel, I'd kind of like to keep it that way. I would like to hand this idea to you so that you may see it. This is, obviously this is a quick sketch, but Great Arnold, I like to call you Grandpa Arnold. I'm only 38, so you're old enough to be my grandfather, and I admire you as a Dutch brother and father figure. This is a quick, simplified sketch of my explanation in theory. Okay, these are two small rockets that give you thrust, possibly not even needed. But what we have here is magnetic force. We have a positive and a negative magnet here. They have a special cupping clasp that go over them. When you press down on a lever, they lift up, and what happens is it starts to spin two turbines. The turbine is here and the turbine is here. These turbines feed a spinning generator of electricity. That electricity then feeds into a space heater. The space heater then generates hot, intense blown heat, which feeds up into here. And what's nice about this up in here is this is a vortex tube. This vortex, at the same time the generators are generating these, they're generating a very powerful propeller turbine, like on a plane here, which produces tremendous whirlwind wind that blows up through here. So we have regular wind coming up and two hot feeds of hot air, all three filling into this space age material that they came out with in NASA that's incredibly strong. This will give you liftoff because it's hot air fed. The nice thing about this is, off from the sides of the ship we can produce solar power wing panels that feed off the light energy that is given off in every direction in space, which will help feed this whole ship as well. So the only real liquid that you need in here for oxygen is water. If we have a water reserve, the condensation from the water will produce enough oxygen, I believe, it'll produce enough condensation to produce oxygen for them to breathe, besides stored air. So that's my powerful theory here. This would be electromagnetic. It's electromagnetic vortex space heater ship is what it is. I think that this is, I think I've covered everything, and you can get a general idea of its theory. Very powerful. This is just a real quick draft. I can go into great detail with it if you'd wanted to. I'm an engineer, so but this is a very powerful spaceship craft that can break, it can lift off and carry and ascend through the atmosphere, and the only thing you would need a little jet powers for really would be just a blast out of the Earth's gravitational pull. But once in space, we can even have this ship rigged where it has a ability to direct Air Force to, the ship could actually tilt in this manner here, and just kind of the vortex would blow it along, if you know what I mean. So that's there's an Austrian Jesus German quick ship for you. I saw that just after, you know, prayed and looked in, and that's what I saw. So good theory there, and if it'll help, Jesus bless you.